In the shadow of the misty hills where the emerald valleys lie, a story carved in ancient stone beneath the northern sky. We are the children of the sun, with spirits bold and free, a nation's heart that's beating still for all the world to see. The yellow fields are calling, the green is in our soul. The red of courage fire will make our broken spirits whole. We hold the promise of our past within our weary hands, to bring the light of justice back to our beloved land. Oh, let the golden moon rise upon our sacred plain, to wash away the sorrow and the shadows of the pain. For Shanland we are standing, one voice, one truth, one dream. Like the Salween's mighty water, we flow as one great stream. Independence is the morning that we're waiting to embrace, with dignity and honor for the noble tirade. They tried to silence every song and dim our ancient light, but seeds of freedom always grow through the longest, coldest night. From Kangtung to the border trails, the message travels far, guided by our ancestors and the bright and morning star. We do not ask for silver, we do not ask for gold, just the right to write the story that our children will be told. A land where peace is holy and every man is free, to live in sovereign glory in our own destiny. Oh, let the golden moon arise upon our sacred plain, to wash away the sorrow and the shadows of the pain. For Shanland we are standing, one voice, one truth, one dream. Like the Salween's mighty water, we flow as one great stream. Independence is the morning that we're waiting to embrace, with dignity